All right. I can't leave you hanging. Hey there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, in my last video, which is why I'm wearing the same shirt, okay, I shared with you how to leverage the Builderall Funnel Club done for you, already made, beautifully designed templates to start building out a membership site course page. And the video was getting too long, and so I wanted to really focus on using the design, creating the course portion of the page. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the whole kit and caboodle so that you have an actual template to follow when you go out to build your courses on your own, if you want to tap into the template club to do that. So in this part 2 of that video, I am going to continue building out that page and show you exactly how to create a beautiful branded page that makes you look like a pro, leveraging the Builderall Funnel Club and some of our coolest Builderall elements that'll take your pages to the next level. So if you want to see how I complete that page, then keep on watching. Alright, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright, guys and gals, so I will link part 1 right below this video, and I will also link it for you in the end screen so that you can see how I used the rotation banner and a custom menu inside of the Builderall Cheetah Builder page so that you can create a very custom feeling, custom looking membership area for your course page. So in this video, I'm going to finish up the page. I'm going to finish out the panels. I'm going to show you some of the elements that you should have on your course page to make it easier for your students to contact you and get support if they need to. And I'm going to show you some cool little nifty ways that you can encourage them to upsell to the next level of whatever your brand is selling. So if you want to see how I do that, then let's dive into my back office. Guys and gals, so let's start with part 2 here and finish up this page. So what I want to do is I want to have on my page kind of like an about your instructor section. I want to have some sort of upsell or some sort of, kind of like link them to something else they can purchase from my brand, like coaching or another product, okay? And then like just, customer service information, all right? So I am going to come over here and I am going to hide this panel because I am not going to be using this. And instead of deleting them, just hide them because you might, use them for something else. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide that panel. And I'm also going to hide this panel because I'm not going to use this either. So now this is kind of like the framework for my page, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to change this into my picture, and ideally you would have different pictures of yourself so that it's not all the same picture, but I'm just going to use the same one that I have here just because I don't have any other pictures right now that I can access quickly, so I'll just use this same one, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and bring this in a little bit here, okay? And then I am going to use elements of this to continue the formatting of this panel, okay? So I'm just going to put here about your instructor, okay? And then I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to make it smaller, okay? So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to just grab this here and I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to bring it down here and I'm going to put my name here, okay? So we're going to put Barbie Figueroa. Boom, and then enter, and then I'm going to put my company website name, RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Okay? All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write a little bit about myself. So I am going to just hide these elements because I don't need them. Okay, so we're just going to hide them, but I don't want to delete them because you might use it for something else. So the whole thing, the whole purpose of this is to repurpose something that was originally intended for something else. So like literally, if you have an agency, or if you're building sales funnels or sales pages, the whole thing is you're using templates. You're using the foundation of the template to recreate something that works for you. All right. So let's go ahead and just put my little bio in here. And I'm going to go ahead and just copy some bio information, and we're going to put it in here. I'm going to hide this because I don't need this part. I'm just going to use this part of it. So let me double click this and put in my bio in here. Okay. Now, what we want to do is, in a very kind of like non-pushy, salesy way, we're going to put here, Coach with Barbie. Okay. So we're going to put here, Coach with Barbie. So we're going to like upsell it right here without like being like too cluttered or too, you know, whatever. We just want them to know, hey, if you want to take that next step and you need more help, you can coach with me. We don't want to compete with the lesson or the training that is on this page, but we want to make them aware that there's other stuff you can do. Okay. So over here, you can put apply for coaching. Whoops. With Barbie. Okay. And then on the subheadline here, I'm going to put something like need one on, let me just put it here like this. One-on-one help explore coaching. Okay, and then let me just change this to Mully. Okay, and then I'm going to make the headline just a little bit bigger. Okay, so it's there, but it's not in your face. Okay, so then I'm going to also duplicate this real quick, and I'm going to put I'm going to right click it here, and I'm going to put see more learning products. And then I'll just put here explore more of Barbie's trainings. Okay. And it's not in your face. It's just, you know, right there. But obviously you would link to a coaching application or a page on your website or something like that. And then here you would link to any other products that you might be selling. You want to link them on your website for where you have more products displayed, etc. Okay. And here you can put like social bars or something. So let's go ahead to the elements section. Go to elements. And let's go ahead and put social bars over here. Okay. I will just go ahead and put this here so that if people want to contact us, okay, they can. So you're going to right click over here and you're going to get the general settings for the bar. Okay. And you can choose what you want to show. So you can show Facebook, Twitter, you know, Instagram, wherever you are. Let's say I don't want to show LinkedIn because I'm not really on LinkedIn, right? So it'll get rid of that one. And then you just put your links over here. Okay. So right here, you would put your links. So for example, I would put my link here for Facebook, for my Facebook business page, facebook.com, Barbie Figueroa online. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Okay. So we're just going to put that there. Okay. And then you can put here, see what others say. Right. And then right here, I can put, I can change this image. Let me go ahead and change the image. And I can make that into a testimonial. So let me go ahead and go to testimonials. Right. And I can go ahead and like put this testimonial in here. All right. just to remind people that, hey, you know what you're doing and you know, you're good at what you do. So you could do that. Let me go ahead and hide this and hide this. Okay. You can do that there. And then over here, you could put need customer support. Okay, and then we're going to extend this. And we're going to extend this box a little bit. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay. And something like, if you have any questions about your product, please contact Barbie or her team below. Something like that, right? And then here you can put, like, you know, the email, website. So I am going to highlight this. This is nothing more than just a highlighted box. I think it's this one. Let me see what color blue this is. Let's see. Let me come over here. And if you're wondering what that is an eyedropper tool that it's called Color Pick Eyedropper. Okay, so I'm going to grab that exact color and I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, and I want to make it that exact same color. So I'm going to go ahead and put the hex code in here. Okay, so now it's the exact same blue. Okay, all right, and then, you know, we can put like Facebook. So bold this, highlight it, put the same hex code in there. Okay. And then here, go to Barbie's website. You can put something like that. Let's go to the headline here. Go back to Barbie's website. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and hyperlink it. And we're going to link to a page. And this is because I want to keep them in the loop of my brand, right? I don't want them just to, you know, like finish the course and you're gone. I want to keep them in my sales process. I want to keep people in my loop. You understand? So that's why we want to keep linking them back to where they can find out more stuff, you know? So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to get rid of the Builderall logo. All right. So let's go ahead and save this. And let's go see what it looks like. So you also want to make sure that you republish a site. That way you make sure that all the changes that you did take effect. So let's go ahead and look at our page. Okay, so now we have the foundation of our design. Okay, and we did it from the agency templates. Okay, now here's another little trick that I want to share with you. Okay, what I'm going to do is I am going to kind of like just get rid of these pages. I don't need them. All right, and you're going to be like, why? Because I already have the foundation of my design. All right, so I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to get rid of this, okay? And here's what I'm going to do really quickly. Let's go back to the page because I want to change this thumbnail so that I don't get confused, right? So let's go back to the website page, okay? And I am going to go and I am going to just take a screen share of my a screenshot of my, the top part of the website, and that's going to become the thumbnail for my website. Okay. All right. Or if you want to know how to open up my screen a little bit, so you can also check out this little Chrome extension. It's called Go Full Page. If you do Go Full Page, right, it'll take a screen capture. It'll screen capture the entire page of your website. And if you have the paid version, see how pretty now we have a full-on sales page. And so now that is the foundation of my course, of my membership site, of the sales page that I'm going to be selling on, my customer support page, my privacy policy page, everything. I already have the foundation. So now creating those pages is going to be super duper easy because we have established the design for everything else just based on those templates. So if you have the advanced version, the paid version, I forgot how much I paid for it, to be honest, but I'm going to go ahead and just crop this. Okay. So let's go and click on crop image. I'm just showing you another way to do this just in case you don't know how to screen capture your screen. But if you have Chrome, you can put this extension and just crop. Okay. Just go ahead and crop this. All right, so let's see. So I'm going to crop it up to here because that'll be my thumbnail. And I'm going to just go done cropping. All right. And I'm going to download it as a PNG. And it's going to download it. So I'm just going to call it thumbnail course 1. Okay. So I'm going to come back here into Cheetah. And I am going to put that thumbnail there so that I know what it looks like. Okay. So boom, now I'm going to have that as my thumbnail. So as you start building your pages, these are some bonus tips. As you start building your pages, take thumbnails of each page. That way, when you're looking at it visually in your back office, it's easy for you to identify. Go ahead and select it. And now that'll be the thumbnail, right? So while I'm here, guys and gals, let me just go all the way. I want to change this. So let's go ahead and change the site settings here. And we're going to call this mini course members area. Okay. And we're going to call it members area. That's the URL. Okay. And then mini course members area. Okay. All right. So let's click on save. You'll see it changed the name of the page. Okay. So let's go to the website page. Okay. And now it's called the members area. All right. Now, if you want to change the name like this right here, let me show you where to do that. You have to go, see right here, when you're inside the website, these are your pages that are laid out. We need to access the actual website. So we're going to go home, okay? And this is the website, right? These are all the websites that I've built. So now we're going to go like into the website settings. So let's go to the website settings, and we're going to call this Barbie's mini course, okay? And we're going to call it Barbie mini course. Barbie's mini course. Okay. And I highly recommend, guys, enable the CRM. Enable the CRM, guys. Trust me on that. Because when you enable the CRM and people start going through your funnels and through your pages, you are going to get all that data up through your whole entire funnel. You'll know where they clicked, when they opted into your page, what pages they visited, if they purchased a product. You're going to get all that information through the CRM, and I will do a video on that another day because this is a treasure trove of data that's in the CRM. It's really going to help you keep track of what's going on in your funnels and in your courses. Okay. All right. So see, now it's Barbie's mini course, and now the page is set. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Now, the last thing I want to show you is now you can turn around and you can duplicate this. Okay, so let's duplicate this. And you see how it says the copy right here? Now you can change this and you can do your one-time offer page. Okay, so you can call this your one-time offer. All right. One-time offer. So now you have your OTO page and you can duplicate that. Well, now you can actually come in here. Let's edit this. So now what you can do is you don't need a lot of the stuff that's in here, right? So what you can do is, let's say now this is going to become where you write all your sales copy to sell your course, etc. You can still, leave this if you want. You can still leave testimonials, etc. But now you have the foundation, and that's the point I'm trying to get at. You have the foundation. So obviously, guys and gals, you're going to need to have a little bit of, education into how to create sales pages, how to do copy for these things. But now with the Builderall Funnel Club and our templates, you can make them look really, really sharp, very, very customized, and make them look aligned to your brand so that you can carry that same look all across the board, no matter where they're at. And so that's pretty much the point of sharing this with you. You can establish, and that's what I do with all of my projects. I establish the foundation of my design first, and then I start copying the pages and start filling in the blanks of the content, whether it's a legal page, a one-time offer page, a thank you page, etc. Now that you have the design established, now you can create all the other pages. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. And again, if you are a Team Rise member, I will have a copy of this page inside of our back office so that you can download it and use it yourself or get inspiration to create your own. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope you got value from that training. You can do anything you want in Builderall. All you need is that creativity. And if there's something in Builderall that you just don't know how to do, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will have tutorials, and we also have a bunch of awesome tutorials in our Builderall knowledge base that you can tap into so that you too can discover creative ways to build your digital marketing products or your membership sites or your sales funnels, websites, all that good stuff inside of Builderall system. Now, oh, and by the way, if you're a Team Rise member or you become a Team Rise member, I'm going to have that page for you as a downloadable share funnel template inside of our Team Rise training area. So make sure to check that out. Now, since we're still in the month of October, right? And I'm probably uploading this video October 15th or October 16th, please make sure to take advantage of the ongoing launch special for the Builderall Funnel Club. All through the month of October, you will get the Builderall Funnel Club plus everything inside of our premium plan for just $69.90. That's right, just $69.90. Normally, it's $199 one-time get-in fee for our Funnel Club, plus come November, it's going to be $99.90 per month, because we're going to be adding chatbot templates and other type of templates in there as time goes on. So the value will continue to increase every single month with your monthly membership. And you're also going to get access to everything in the premium plan when you sign up for the Funnel Club. But for the month of October only, we're going to waive the $199 fee, and you're not going to pay $99.90. You're going to lock in your $69.90 rate for the lifetime of your membership. You are going to get grandfathered in at $69.90, even if down the road Builderall raises their price. So if you want to lock in everything that Builderall has to offer for just $69.90, and I'll have those links right below in the description box if you want to go ahead and check that out. So anyway, guys and gals, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.